Alright, you guys are gonna love this. Another unboxing from APMEX. Oh. Just wait till you see what's in here. Oh, I thought this was the other thing I ordered, but it's not. Anyway, this is an order I thought wasn't going to come in for a couple days, but anyway, at APMEX, they had a sale on these. They were like 61% off, spot or whatever. But yeah, I always wanted to keep a bunch of these. So anyway, I thought this was going to be my other box. That's pretty crazy. That means these came in like literally a day. That's crazy fast. But anyway, yeah, so these are some more Franklin halves. So there's 60 of them here. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, these are pretty cool. So I think they still have the sale going on at APMEX. So if you want some of these, it's pretty good sale. So anyway, I thought it was something else, but there it is. So anyway, the big unboxing should be, I guess, I don't know, according to the thing, it's the tracking, it said it should come today, so I guess I'll be getting another package maybe today, I don't know. But anyway, we'll see you then.